It's about business. So this show is built for entrepreneurs by entrepreneurs. And if you have a small business, even if you're a corporate employee, this show will give you some incredible tidbits for going forward, improving your life both personally and professionally. Ladies and gentlemen, the man, the myth, the legend, Anthony Gary.
You're a CEO of a company. You're a professional model. You're whatever you want to be. If you can't look in that mirror and see it in yourself, you have nowhere to start. You really have nowhere to start. You need to start with that dream, and you need to start with it as big as it can be. So when I found someone that has a level of success or going in a direction I want to go to, I literally go to them and ask them, you have what I want. Will you show it to me? Need to grow and become an expert in your field. Whatever your niche is, whatever your market is, become an expert. Be the best at it you can be.